Finally, Bev, panibagong chapter na tayo ng buhay natin. You are someone I never expected to become part of me. But you come brought me so much joy, from hi at hello to I do na ngayon. I am confident to be standing next to a man who completes my life, my happiness, and my purpose.
Beb, eto na yun. Yung babaeng minahal ko ng mahigit 3 taon, ngayon pang abang buhay ko na. Naalala ko pa nung nag-start tayo, hindi maging madali. Inilaban natin ito. Wala nga akong halos mahiling, ikaw yung definition ko na ideal wife. Bukod sa maganda at masipag, ikaw yung maraming pangarap.
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the rain of your doubts and fears.
Thank you, Beb, sa tiwala mo at sa pagkakataong ibinigay mo sa akin. Patunay na mahal kita. At ngayong araw, gusto kong malaman mo na sobra kitang mahal. Wala man akong may pamangakong yaman o ari-arian, pero sinusigurado kong maging masaya tayo.
Like we were so high, but love was all that we were.
Ang ganda mo naman.
And though the world will never understand.
Bev, thank you for feeling na sobrang napakaalaga mo, napaka-responsable mo. Wala na akong ibang mahiling pa. Sa lahat ng pinakita mo sa akin, sobrang-sobra na sa akin. I love you.
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here. Save your eyes from your tears when everything's unclear. You'll be safe here from the
Masaya. Medyo kinakabahan syempre. Gawa ng moment namin to eh. Finally, kakasal na kami.
when the light disappears and when this world's insincere, you'll be safe here.
Ang advice ko lang sa anak ko, huwag niya pabayaan yung apo ko. Saka maraming salamat sa kanila na hindi nila pinabayaan yung nila, pagsasama ng mag-asawa.
In my arms, through the long cold night, sleep tight.
Masaya ko may labas na rin kayo mo. Basta kayo mo magdala magdalang pamilya.
Understands, I'll believe you'll be safe. You'll be safe here. You'll be safe. Put your heart in my hands.
Sabi nga nila, happy wife, happy life. Kaya araw-araw kitang papasain para hindi tayo umabot hanggang tulpo. Beb, thank you dito sa wallet nito. Kaso walang laman eh. Sana binigyan mo na lang ng kahit 1 million o 100.
That I could have played, I was fearing blank stares.
Thank you, Sex Bomb Jen!
and you found me and pushed me into the light.
Thank you, Beb, for spoiling me. Lagi hindi mo ako binibigo sa mga binibigay mo sa akin. Thank you, I love you.
So I'm never gonna waste my love on anyone else. Now I'm awake, my love. You've broken the spell. Your heart sings to me, a melody that sets me free. Your love is like a symphony. And what a way to set me free. Your love is like a symphony.
Ikaw yung dumating sa buhay ko na sobra. Sobra kong pinasasalamatan for almost 3 years na kilala at nag-grow tayo pareho. Pero sobra ko na na-appreciate kung gaano ka kasipag at kabait.
I promise that I will steal you at the most the beautiful person I fell in love with you. Araw-araw kang pipiliin lalo sa mga mahirap na sitwasyon. Mahal na mahal kita, darling, hanggang dulo ng aking buhay.
So I'm never gonna waste my love on anyone else. Now I'm awake, my love. You've broken the spell. Your heart sings to me, a melody that sets me free. Your love is like a symphony. And what a way to set me free. Your love is like a symphony. The song starts and ends with you. The song starts and ends with you. The sun sets and rises just for you. The song starts and ends. The song starts and ends.
Simula ngayon araw na ito, officially, legally, may boss ka na. May misis ka na. Mahal kita higit pa sa salita. I love you hanggang dulo. Ako'y sa'yo, ika'y sa akin lamang. I love you.
Awake, my love. You've broken the spell. Your heart sings to me, a melody that sets me free. Your love is like a symphony. Your love is like a symphony. And what a way to set me free. Your love is like a symphony.
Yeah, give me all your attention. One time for the misfits. Through the doors open on the highway. I promise you don't want to miss this. They say the good die young, but this is gonna be a long one. I'm brushing the dust off, took the high road for the trust fall, and I'm, ayy.